George Williams, founder and CEO of Reliability X, here to talk a little bit about, well, what is predictive maintenance? Well, oddly enough, predictive maintenance often refers to condition monitoring, but with some technology. We're not exactly predictive maintenance per se when we talk about assessing failure modes. We're actually assessing condition of an asset that is not yet out of service. Even though it may have a functional failure internally, it's still operating. Predictive maintenance technologies is one way of conditional assessment that allows you to find these failure modes that may not be readily evident yet. What do I mean by that? Well, we may have a foul bearing, but it's not hot to the touch, or I can't hear it audibly with my own hearing. And so we use these technologies like motion amplification and vibration analysis and ultrasound, electrical signature analysis, infrared thermography, and lots of others to assess the condition of an asset. More accurately defined, condition monitoring is any technique that assesses for failures or assesses the condition of an asset. It may use predictive technologies, but it is not all-inclusive to just the use of those technologies. Other methodologies for conditional assessments include visual inspections. It also includes analysis of performance parameters, gauge readings, pressures, and temperatures. All of these things can help determine whether or not there are issues within the asset, even something as simple as taking amp readings. Cost analysis is also a methodology for conditional assessment of your asset. So, from a condition monitoring standpoint, what are the goals? Well, the goal really is to determine the current or potential failures of an asset and restore those back to base condition and operating cost with the minimal impact to the operation. In our next video associated with, why do we use predictive technologies, we're going to go down that path just a little bit further. So, for some more information, you can look at our website, www.reliabilityx.com, or hit us up at ask@reliabilityx.com. And don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video if you want to see more content like this.